Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can delete account on Amazon Prime Video. So by deleting account on Amazon Prime Video will affect your overall Amazon account. But in order to delete account, just open your Amazon Prime Video app on your mobile phone. When you open it at the bottom right side, just click on this menu or your profile option. Now here at the top right side, you can see there are setting or gear icon. Just click on this setting icon and you will get all these options. Now here you can see my account option. So just click on this my account and here you can see the option called delete account. So just simply click on this delete an account. Now at this position you can see close your Amazon account. So you can read all these details. Just scroll down at the bottom and just check mark this yes I want to permanently delete my account, Amazon account. So just click on this and just click on close my account. After when you click on close my account, your closing status will be appeared and you will get an email about confirmation, and after some days your account will be deleted.